Resendez. I'm recording this project for my Accounting Information Systems class. The course number is, or CRN number is 20838. My professor is Professor Davis. The information I have here is the name of the customers that we're selling products to. Over to the left, I have the states where the majority of the sales are going to. At the bottom, I have the line chart of sales by month per customer, shows the number of sales per customer per month. So the purpose of this project or this dashboard is to give a user or managers an understanding of where this gives the managers a breakdown of the top 10 customers. So towards the right, I have the filters. So if someone wants to condense it again to the top 10 customers, so if you select a customer that's not among the top 10, it's not going to give you any data for that person. So if we deselect all for a specific person or customer like New Haven, type it in. You can see how much quantity was sold to the specific customer. So there was 374,148 quantity being sold to them, and majority of their sales, or these sales for the 374,148 quantity, was out of the state of Connecticut. Down in the line chart of sales by month, you see the trend for this specific customer. So their sales order date for July 2018 total to $468,447.72 cents. All of these sales for this specific year add up to that $303,799,484 out of the state of Connecticut. In addition to the sales in dollars by state filter. Again, the number in the map is 15,772,927. Those sales only come from the top 10. And again, these type of dashboards are very useful because it helps the company plan and managers plan or their marketing department plan for what sales or what the sales may be for the future for the following year. It also helps them get an understanding or knowledge whether they should ramp up their marketing to this certain company or reach out to the company and verify why their sales decreased significantly for this specific year. And it helps them make adjustments for the following year and plan ahead. This is the information again I have. Thanks a lot and have a nice one.